Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI Power, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now click Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you want to connect to, for example that one. Select Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!